Traditional multi-agent systems bottleneck at their orchestrator. One controller decomposes tasks, farms them out, and merges the results serially. The authors propose DeLM, a decentralized alternative where parallel agents coordinate through verified shared context, not a central brain. Instead of routing progress through prompts, which compress and lose detail, DeLM uses state-based communication. Every update is verified against its cited evidence before admission. So agents build on accurate, compact GIFs, rather than hoping the orchestrator remembered everything. DeLM compresses agent outputs into 3 levels. Compact GIFs for global sharing, reference-grounded summaries as midpoints, and raw evidence as backing. Agents read GIFs by default and unfold to detail only when necessary, keeping context lean and cost low. On SWE Bench verified software engineering tasks with Gemini 3 Flash, DeLM reaches 77.4% pass at 4 versus 71.8 for the parallel orchestrator baseline, while cutting the per-task cost in half from 25 cents to 12 cents. For multi-document question answering on Long Bench version 2, DeLM achieves the highest accuracy across all tested models, with gains ranging from 3.6 to 5.7 percentage points. Verified hierarchical summaries prevent early context loss and eliminate unchecked error propagation that plagues flat memory systems. By decoupling coordination from centralized control and admitting only verified compact updates, DeLM sets a new precedent for scalable, reliable multi-agent reasoning under complex workloads. Explore the full architecture and create your own videos at emergentmind.com.